10 seconds at clock. Umatake. Kicks out. Emeterio na tapikan. Recovered. Long 3. Bam! From way downtown! 5 seconds. Step back. 3 for 3. Bam! Basket and 1. Natapikan. No last call. Sa Medina Minegos. Pasok yan! Pinta, fade away siya. True pinta, bakit for 2? De Vera. Kobe! Bakit? Kobe! Nagaw! Long pass na sa Alonso! Reverse layup sa Alonso! For the lead! Oop! For the backdoor inbound. Oop! Oop! Uy! Aquino! Sasalagsak! Please! No good! Rebound! Putol! 5 foul! Uy! Oh! Technical! Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Game 2 Championship ng Intertown ng Bulacan Seniors Division para sa laban ng Marilao at Santa Maria. Ball Blastina and Intal. First ball position for Team Marilao. And here you go Medina. Offensive foul. Game Otra here dribbling the ball for Team Marilao. Game Otra. Drives. Pass on the inside. Fast. Basket and 1 for the inbound here. Game Otra passes on the corner. Wide open for 3. Bam! Medina. Salarza. Pass to the middle. Resurrection. Resurrection. Stop. Pull up G3. Short of target. And here's Team Marilao. Game Otra. Medina, pass inside. Ang gandang deliver. Ang gandang finish. Teng crosses the mid lane. Setting the play. Teng dribbling the ball. Launches 3. Bam! The answer. Romero. Medina. Medina. Pass back Medina. Di-discarte dito. Medina crossover. Nakalusot. Sa lubang ng pasa. And the finish. Game Otra. Drives. Plays. Game Otra basket. For 2. Teng. Crosses the mid lane. Pass to Resurrection. Oh! Baba. Out of the glass, no good. And a rebound. Sabile, pinasa kay Medina. Oh! Oy! Gabing move naman yun kay Medina. Sabile. Passes to De Vera. De Vera. Attack, spins. Kobe! Bakit? Kobe! Taberner. Pass to Teng. Aquino. Teng. Crossover. Naagawan. No look pass. Lay. Sabile for 2. The bounce pass to Taberner. Taberner here. Di-discarte between the legs. Treble drives. Bumangga. Floater shot. And bucket for 2. De Vera. Oh, technical! Technical! Obrasio setting the play. Pass to Husayan. Bounce pass. Degamo. Oh yes sir. Degamo. No, air ball. Emeterio. Between the legs dribble. Step back for 3. Bang! Bullseye! Emeterio mabibitawan ng bola. Salarza. Oh, uy, reverse layup. Bakit for 2? Salarza. Husayan. Emeterio. Bumangga. Pull up game. Of the glass wala. Rebound dito Aquino. Teng. Long pass. Naagaw ni Degamo. Uy. Oh! Salarza. Salarza, Hollywood pass, Aquino for the finish. Long pass, naagaw na Aquino, na-recover, naagaw, Salarza, behind the back dribble. Salarza, naulong pass, Salarza, pass, yes sir. Down to 1 ang Kalamangan. Naagaw. Long pass daw Salarza. Fix. Reverse layup Salarza. For the lead. Francisco. Attacks. Tinabitin Lays. No good. Rebound putback shot. And the finish by Fernandez. Gemotra. Gemotra dito. Pass on the inside. Kaldag. Corner wala. Rebound. Bounce pass. Sakto yung pasa. Too strong. Rebound. Putback shot. Follow up shot. Francisco. Pass to Aquino. Aquino. Sasalagsak. Please. No good. Rebound. Putol. By foul. Uy. Oh, technical! Pino. Labastida. Medina fakes, drive. Pass, too strong, rebound. Pass to Medina, space, fakes. Oh, supalpal! Labastida. Corner. Launch 3, Medina. Norwood. Rebound. Pull up J, no good, rebound. Medina off the glass, yes sir. Gemotra, chest passer. Drives, pull up J, Labastida. Salarza attacks. Bumangga, tumira. No good, rebound dito. Bounce pass. Gemotra nagmamadali, diretso, nabitawan, putback shot. Nolasco. Natapikan. Nolasco. Pinasa Medina Minegos. Pasok yan. Medina. Pull up J. Medina. Tuboy. Bounce pass. Long pass. Attacks. Oh, supalpal. Pass Lays. My foul. On Lays. No good. Medina. Lays. Medina. Bucket for 2. Here's Resurrection. Stop. Pass to the middle. Teng. Dives. Rupinta. Fade away shot. Rupinta. Bucket for 2. Plastina drives. Spins. Na pinasa sa loob. Gemotra. Reverse layup. Wala. Plastina kicks out. Medina fakes. Medina. Sa gitna. Floater shot. Degamo. Sabile. Pass 2. He kicks out. Launch 3. No good. Rebound. Libre. Easy bucket. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds step back. 3, 4, 3. Bang! Basket and one. Sabili to De Vera. De Vera spins on the corner. Babangga dito, ginalda, ginatid, floater shot, bakit for two. Lastina. Teng to Resurrection. Pass on the corner, launches 3. Bang! 3 points. Romero. Francisco. Didiscarte. Cross on the corner. Sa gitna, pull up J. Bakit for 2. Francisco. Francisco libre ngayon si Salarza. Bakit for 2. Obas break ngayon for the lead. Lead the game. Basket and one. Gemotra sa gitna. Pinasa kay Lambe Kumaldag. Offensive foul. Salarza. Attacks. Bounce pass. Teng. Launches 3. Bam! 3 points. Teng. Gemotra. Pass to the middle. Emeterio for 3. Bam! 3 points. Teng. Pass to Salarza. Between the legs, 3 ball. Bounce pass. Natapikan. Offensive foul. Berner, bounce pass. Intal for 3. Bang! 3 points. Intan. Taana. Pass to Legin. Drives. Stop kicks out. Intal. Floater shot. Off the glass. Knocks it down. Molano drives from the middle. Nakagaud. Recovered. Nolasco. Oh! Butata! For the backdoor inbound. Uy! Double foul ang tawag, double foul. Legin, sumiksag, behind the back dribble. Natapikan. Oras pa rin, may babang bola ang laro. Down to Porang Kalamangan. Basket and one. For Team Marilao. Long pass. Umaldag, nabitawan. Na-recover. Kicks out. Drives, floater, Nolasco, wala. Rebound. Pass off the glass. Knocks it down. Emeterio. Spins. Pass. By foul. Second shot clock. Attacks. Nakalusot. Fire off the glass. Game Otra for 2. Bounce pass. Salarza. Stabs, pull up J, bakit for 2, Salarza, nasa sa gitna, 10 second shot clock, drives, floater, supalpal, for the inbound here, Gemotra, pass to the middle, spin pass, no good, rebound, put back shot, bakit for 2, Usayan, Dental. Natapikan sa likod. Na-recover. Bumangga. Fade away. Too strong. Again. Emeterio for the rebound. Long pass. Reverse layup. Pasok yan. Usayan. Back to. Resurrection. Loses. Uy. Naagaw. Emeterio. Bounce pass. Big bucket. Uy. Grabe. Umiikot pa. Gemotra. Passes to this corner. Ball open for 3. 3 points. Gemotra drives. Kicks out. Takes. Create space. Launch 3 off the glass. No good. Rebound. Put back off the glass basket and one! 10 seconds ang clock. Umatake. Kicks out. Emeterio na tapikan. Recovered. Long three. Bam! From way downtown! Emeterio! Grabe! Grabeng tira yun! Uy, nagkagulo na mga idol. Ayun o, pinalayas si idol. Pinalayas. For the inbound. Pass to Emeterio, stop. Launches three. Bam! 3 points! Emeterio. Medina. Drives, pinasa. No basket. Congratulations, Team Marilao. All one. May game 3 pa.